Hey, what's up, guys? Jim Dude's Guitars. Got the part 2 of the Crescent Demo where I'm going to go through the pickups real quick. And also going to be doing some different variety of videos coming up soon, like trying out this new camera angle where you can see what's on my wall here. I'll go through on the video and show you all the different concerts and autographs I have up there sometime, and basically I'm gonna do like a more talking video where I kind of go through like news and different things that's going on, new things I'm gonna review, maybe try some crazy food things and stuff like that, like things that like I don't like, and things like that, spicy things, super sour stuff, anything that's like too crazy for anyone to eat or something like that. So should be pretty cool. Got some cool ideas cooking up, so wanted to share with you guys that. So we're gonna get into this video and make it pretty quick. Gonna do a quick little lick on each pickup style on the upper register and bottom, and just show you guys what it sounds like using my Kemper profiler with a Vox AC30 clean profile for clean, and a Mesa Boogie channel for the rhythm and leads. So here we go. I hope you guys like the video. If you do, please leave a like and subscribe. Any support's greatly appreciated. Working on some ideas for new models to try out. Leave any ideas or any things you want to see in a video down in the comments. So we will get into it. Alright, here we go. We're starting off clean with the bridge, Polarity active Kiesel pickups, with the bridge starting in active mode, and here we go. Alright, moving on to rhythm. This is a Mesa Mark IV profile. Lastly, got the lead here. This is the same Mesa channel with just some added delay and a little more distortion. you have it. Amazing sounding tones. I'm not the best guitarist, just noodling to give you, you know, a wide variety of tones. I don't, you know, expect it to sound, you know, the best, but at least you hear what it sounds like in a room without any added effects or anything. So if you wanted to know what it sounded like, it's a pretty good sense of it, just going off of a phone recording. Obviously, I'm in the process of upgrading the recording for this channel, and appreciate everyone watching. Really is cool to have everyone give feedback and check out what I do, so I appreciate it, guys. Like I said, this was just a quick little demo, nothing long, but do have more videos coming soon, and any ideas or suggestions, please leave in the comments, and any likes, subscribes, or support is appreciated. Thank you all so much, and I will see you next time. Jim Dude, see you later.